This is Eric at Paint Short Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle, you have 2 fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And then looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features, your fuel economy, and your comm screen. You can also look at all of your service information. And then on the left you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, I believe, radio and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Do also have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from that you have your media controls and then your climate controls, very simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and multiple drive modes, such as normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving over to the right, where you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C with this button up here opening the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C with a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then moving on to your center console, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrests, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath that for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.